Refit Fuel Injection Pump from the engine.
Hi, my name is Aishwarya. A diesel fuel injection pump is a device that delivers fuel to the cylinders of a diesel engine. It pressurizes the fuel and delivers it in the proper amount and at the right time, ensuring efficient combustion and maximum power output. The pump is typically driven by the engine's crankshaft. We have already seen the removal of fuel injection pump from an engine. In this video, you will learn how to refit the fuel injection pump assembly on your engine. This is a relatively easy process and can be completed in a few hours. You will need some basic tools and supplies which are listed in the video.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to understand the basics of how a fuel injection system works, disassemble and clean the fuel injection pump assembly, reassemble the fuel injection pump assembly, tools required, Trainees Toolkit, Socket Set, Fuel Line Disconnect Tool, Equipment required, Air Compressor, Materials required, Kerosene, Diesel, Soap oil. If you are experiencing engine performance problems, one possible cause is a problem with the fuel injection system. In this video, we will show you how to disassemble and clean the fuel injection pump assembly. We will also show you how to reassemble the fuel injection pump assembly. Install the new fuel injection pump assembly into the engine. Make sure that the new assembly is properly secured and that all connections are tied. Connect the fuel feed pumps and fuel line connections. Connect the fuel injection pump main gallery fuel connection. Connect the injector's high pressure line from fuel injection pump delivery valve holder. Connect the accelerator's linkage connection of fuel injection pump. Clean the area around the fuel injection pump assembly by mounting holes with a clean, dry cloth. This will help to ensure a proper seal when you install the new assembly. Make sure that the new assembly is properly aligned with the engine and that all connections are secure. Reconnect the fuel lines to the new fuel injection pump assembly. Make sure that the lines are properly secured with the correct fittings and that there are no leaks. If there are any leaks, tighten the fittings and check again. If there are any leaks, tighten the fittings until they are sealed and check again. Fasten the bolts of the fuel injector pump and tighten the screw with the manufacturer's data. The functioning of a diesel fuel injection pump can be broken down into the following steps. Fuel supply. Fuel from the fuel tank is transferred to the injection pump through the fuel feed pump. Pressurization. The injection pump pressurizes the fuel, which is necessary for its proper atomization and efficient combustion in the engine cylinders. Metering. The injection pump meters the fuel, determining the exact amount of fuel to be delivered to each cylinder for each combustion cycle. Injection. The pressurized and metered fuel is then injected into the engine cylinders usually through injectors. Timing. The timing of fuel injection is critical to the proper operation of the diesel engine. The timing of fuel injection, ensuring that fuel is injected at the proper moment in the engine's combustion cycle. The diesel fuel injection pump plays a crucial role in the efficient operation of a diesel engine, delivering the right amount of fuel at the right time and pressure to ensure maximum power output and efficient combustion.
Till now, we have learned about the working of a fuel injection system in a car and have also seen how to refit fuel injection pump assembly on the engine. We will now recap what we have learned. Understand the basics of how a fuel injection system works. Disassemble and clean the fuel injection pump assembly. Reassemble the fuel injection assembly. Thus, we have learned how to refit the fuel injection pump on the engine. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.